Welcome to ERPTREE. We started 100% job guarantee program on Oracle Fusion Financials with the duration of 3 months. Now we started with a 3 months duration. The working professionals. For the working professionals, we have flexible batches. You can opt morning batch or evening batch or weekend batch. Based on your time availability, you can fix the duration. Yes, you can complete within 3 months. If you are comfortable, you can complete within 4 months, 5 months. So based on the time frame what you are opting, accordingly you can attend the classes. The course curriculum will remain same. We are not going to reduce any course curriculum because of the 3 months duration. But the only difference is all the time there will be pending task from your side. Yes, you can complete all the classes within 3 months, and you should take the responsibility of practicing, reading, and working on the presentations and the various activities which are part of 100% job guarantee program. So we learned a lot from various aspirants where they came up with the requirements. They cannot spend time 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. So what we are doing is we are scheduling the classes and we are running the classes. Since we are going as per schedule, it is taking too much time. Now, instead of scheduling the classes with a huge time gaps, we are going to run the classes every day so that you can complete the entire program within the 3 months duration. So we don't have any issue if you want to spend more than 3 months on the floor to practice and to exercise various learnings which you are going to see as a part of 100% job guarantee program. But we are coming up with the flexibility of 3 months duration. Yes, you can complete. So after completing within 3 months, during these 3 months, you may prepare all your learnings. After completing 3 months program, you may spend 1 month time for your preparation so that you can get ready to attend interviews. And whatever you are going to learn within these 3 months, that will help you to survive in the job. Yes, we are running online classes. The online classes, what you learn from the online classes is compared to 100% job guarantee program, only 20 to 25%. The rest of 75% you can find from 100% job guarantee program. The guys who already completed online classes from ERPTREE or from other sources, yes, they can continue in this 100% job guarantee program from the level of advanced classes. Again, they no need to do from the basics. They can start their journey from advanced classes. But we will guide you like how you have to refine your basic learnings by giving presentations, by involving in the discussions, the rapid rounds, mock discussions, various activities you come across within 100% job guarantee program. This program will ensure you can crack interview on your own. You no need to depend on any other sources. With great courage, you can crack interview. The max, whatever the interview you attend, yes, you will be in the position to crack the interview by following the process what we defined in this 100% job guarantee program. The primary point is learning. This would be the end-to-end learning. We are not going to ignore anything from financials applications. In terms of skill set, it can match to 10 years experienced consultant. 10 years working experienced consultants. And here I want to share one news with everybody. The recent offer what one guy received on the floor is 47 lakhs. 47 lakhs LPA. Even the working people who are working on Oracle Fusion Financials for last 10-15 years, even they are not able to get the offers more than 40 lakhs. So it became possible with 100% job guarantee program. That means what level of content you are getting really matter. Doesn't matter how many years of experience you have. The guy who received offer with 47 lakhs before joining in ERPTREE for 100% job guarantee program, he was getting 4 lakhs plus. He was literally getting 4 lakhs plus. After completing 100% job guarantee program, he received multiple offers. Around 15 offers he received. 15 offers he received, and many offers more than 40 lakhs. Many offers more than 40 lakhs. So he received 36, 37, 39, 40, 41. So many offers he received, and the fact is, along with this offer, he is doing other freelance job also. So that's how you can become powerful with this 100% job guarantee program. You no need to struggle when you do the job, and you no need to depend on somebody for the process called as proxy or prompting, whatever you call. You can become independent. So think about proxy. When you go through proxy process, you will struggle a lot. At present on the floor, we have many people in this 100% job guarantee program who got the job through proxy and who failed literally. They took someone support for interview process. They got the job after joining. All the time they have to operate with the fear only, because they don't know, they are not eligible, they are not earning any offer. It's all about they are stealing the offers. When they steal the offer, they have to become thief on the floor. Any task they get, they don't know how to do, and any discussions, they don't know how to establish the discussions to anyone with maybe 10-15% knowledge. They are working, they struggle all the time. They have to operate with fear. So instead of struggling with that approach, you can be part of this 100% job guarantee program. You can earn your offer. You don't need to steal. You can earn your offer, and you can become capable enough to perform the work. Try to understand, when you join in the company, you are one of the party, other side your client, and your company. Three parties are involved in this deal. If you are not capable to help to your client and your company, if you are there only to take the salary, it doesn't work. You will fail. You will fail. It should be win-win-win situation. You should win, your client should win, your company should win. That is called as a great deal. You are going and sitting in front of your client and company to take the salary when you are not eligible. Doesn't make any sense. Yes, if there is no option, if you are trying hard to get your salary, that makes sense. So we are offering 100% job guarantee program. With this program, you can become ultimate. I started my journey on Oracle applications in 2006. 2006 I started. It's been 19 years. In this program, I am giving the complete skill set, experience, knowledge from my side, you will become clone of my skill set. Not only learning after all application. Yes, you will learn end-to-end application. Along with that, how to deal with the people, how to set your attitude when you are working as a consultant, how to serve to the client, how to deal with the teams. Everything you learn, everything you learn. So that's how you will be able to perform your job without any challenges. In 100% job guarantee program, you learn about applications. You will learn how to give the presentation to the client. It could be oral presentations or system presentations, which we call as ERP, and status calls, mock discussions, rapid rounds, brainstorming sessions, role play, various documents creation, interview preparation, support related session. Even you'll have a EBS related classes. As I mentioned very clearly, you will be equal to me in terms of skill set. When you talk about Oracle Fusion Financials, you will be equal to me. We are not reserving anything. I'm not reserving anything. I'm sharing everything. So that's how we designed this program. We created this program to create the value. After your 15, 16, 17 years of education, just because of job, because of after all job, you should not start struggling in your life. You just talk to the people who gone through proxy, how their life is. How their life is, you try to understand. They are struggling like anything. They cannot continue in that job, same time they cannot leave that job. So that is the situation many people are into. If still somebody is surviving in the job who gone through proxy, they are not surviving. They are struggling enough. Even they get their month-end salary, they will not be happy. The reason, they don't know whether they'll get next month's salary or not. All the time they'll be operating with fear. So you no need to get into such kind of situations. So you can spend nicely good amount of time on the floor in this program. Accordingly, you can transform as a real-time consultant. So after this program, you can work for implementation project. You can be part of support project. Even you can go to on-site and you will be in the position to support your client. You no need to take support from others. You can support to your client. That's how the program is designed. Don't try hard with 10, 15, 20% learning. You cannot become successful. You will become a struggling consultant and you will become a dummy consultant. I could see this as a best option. The guys who completed this program all are able to crack their interviews. Everybody is receiving multiple offers. And the packages also equal or more than equal to working professionals. They're getting packages like 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 35 lakhs. The best example I given, 47 lakhs after completing 100% job guarantee program. That means that level of skill set they are acquiring from this 100% job guarantee program. So you can plan based on your time flexibility. We have morning batch, we have evening batch, we have full day batch, we have weekend batch. You might be working professional or else you are not working anywhere. Whatever it may be the case, the program now it became very flexible. If you are thinking about spending too many months, now it is available within 3 months. If you can spend good amount of time, yes, the 3 months you may make as a 2 months also. So that flexibility we are creating in the program. We are not going with a very stringent rules in terms of time frame. Yes, you can complete within 3 months or in 2 months also. So for everything, we have a predefined plan how to execute within 3 months or 4 months. If you want within 2 months, if you want to complete within 2 months, yes, you have to spend good amount of time in terms of attending the classes. So it became very flexible. It's your call. If you want to get the job and if you want to survive, I would recommend 100% job guarantee program. If you want to get the job and if you want to struggle, you have multiple options to get ready to struggle. So if you want to enjoy your job, this is the best option as we see in the market. Okay. So if you have any queries related to this program, you can keep in touch with our team. So 3 months duration, the flexible time frames, full day you can spend, or every day morning few hours, or every day evening few hours. So you might be working somewhere, your shift timings could be afternoon to maybe 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Yes, you can choose the first off in a day. You can just come here, you can attend the classes. Every day you will have a classes. From the day one, you can start attending the classes. So earlier it was totally different. We complete the basic sessions. After that, we kickstart with advanced. Now we made a plan. From the day one, you can start attending the classes. That's how you can complete this program as soon as possible. And we will have a detailed plan once you are on the floor. So based on your priorities, based on many other maths which works from your end, accordingly now program is available. You keep in touch with our team and you can kickstart the journey without taking much time. You can start and complete this program and you can crack your interview and you will be able to support whatever the work you get. You no need to depend on any job and support. You no need to become poor enough to take the proxy support. Nothing is required. You can become independent and you can handle your task what you get in the project. Please contact our team to get more information on 100% job guarantee program to complete within 3 months. Thank you.